To our honored guest speaker, City officials headed by our City Mayor, Honorable Marcos John Martitua, Deputy officials led by our Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Anselmo R. Alubino, to our respected principal, Ma'am Lauren E. L. Pabucal, proud parents, distinguished guests, and my fellow graduates of the class of 2026, a warm and joyful welcome to all. Today is a day we have dreamed about since we first stepped into the portal of this institution, especially to our classmates. Back then, our biggest challenges began. Learning to tie our shoes, share crayons, pencils to our classmates. Now, we stand here ready to continue the high school, having conquered many more big challenges along the way. To my fellow academic achievers, we know that we will be receiving medals today. They represent the quiet moments of study, the many children, and the persistence we showed when things got difficult. But let's remember that these honors that aren't just ours. They belong to the teachers who stay late to help us, to the parents who provide us with the very opportunity to succeed. To all my fellow graduates, whether you are wearing a medal or not, today belongs to us. We all navigated the same lessons, shared the same laughs on the playground, and we grew up together. We are a team, and today we celebrate our collective victory. This graduation isn't just ours. Isn't just an ending. It's a welcome to our next big adventure. Let's carry the lessons we learned here, not just the ones from our textbooks, but the lessons in friendship, kindness, and hard work that we carry in the next chapter of our lives. As we begin this celebration, let us embrace this moment, not only as a recognition of what we can still accomplish together, but as a reminder of what we can achieve. But let us venture forward with pride, gratitude, and hope. Thank you and welcome to this wonderful celebration of success, our graduation day.